Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to use sound notifications on this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option accessibility. Tap on hearing enhancements. Here you can see the option sound notifications. Okay. Now we need to turn on the sound notifications. Okay. Turn on this one. If you tap on this one, you can see some options to enable the sound notification shortcut. So here I am going to go for with the accessibility button. Here you can see the option open sound notifications. So tap on this one. Now tap on the option next. Here you can see some sounds. From here you can choose the alert sound. Okay, tap on turn on. You can try the demo. Yeah. Sound notification alerts users when important the sound like alarm, doorbells or baby cries and detector. So simply in this way we can enable and use the sound notifications on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.